and welcome to English Clarity. Are you ready to speak English with more confidence, eh? You're in the right place. At English Clarity, we make learning English simple, practical, and enjoyable. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation, our lessons are designed to help you communicate naturally in real-life situations. You'll learn through everyday conversations, easy-to-follow explanations, listening practice, to help you understand English clearly, speak confidently, and enjoy the learning journey. If you're serious about improving your English, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for joining us. Now let's start learning English together with English Clarity. It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I like hot tea. I like hot tea. I like hot tea.
I am ready to go. I am ready to go. I am ready to go.
Hello! How are you? I'm doing great! Look at this book. Let's walk to class. Sounds good. Hello! How are you? Hello! How are you? I'm doing great! Look at this book. Let's walk to class. Sounds good.
Where is the bread? Aha! Where is the bread? Where is the bread? Aha!
I would like some soup, please. I would like some soup, please. I would like some soup, please.
This book looks good. This book looks good. Looks good. This book looks good.
I enjoy the fresh air. I enjoy the fresh air. I enjoy the fresh air.
This is my stop.
This is my stop.
This is my stop.
I have work to do. Have work to do. I have work to do.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for learning with English Clarity. Your support helps us create more free English lessons. Leave a comment below with your answer or your favorite part of today's lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English. Until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking.